Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Greywater Green. Today we're going to talk about apartment buildings and meeting the EBEWE ordinance. And EBEWE stands for Existing Building Energy and Water Efficiency. Basically, it's a 20% reduction on the water that's that's being utilized from buildings. So a great way to meet the ordinance is to change out your toilets with low flush toilets, as well as change out the aerators on your sinks and restrictions on your showers. But as we all know, apartment tenants sometimes take out those aerators or switch out the heads on the shower heads. So think of another way. Instead of putting drinkable water on the landscape, let's divert some of the shower water or take the laundry room water and use that. Those are both considered gray water, and run that through one of our distribution filter systems and then pass it on along into the aquifer pipe. The aquifer pipe is buried 12 inches below the ground, so every gallon of water is going to get better utilized because we eliminate the evaporation aspect of irrigation. Now you're future-proofing the landscape on times of severe drought where there's restrictions on water as well as increases on prices. What's nice is that your net operating income is going to go up a little bit because your net expenses are going to go down because you're not spending as much money on drinkable water just to put on the landscape, and your sewer bill is going to go down because they always charge you for as much water that's coming in to go out to the sewer. It's a great way to save water, great way to meet your requirements, and also because we're equipment manufacturer, any of your staff can do the installs themselves. We're more than happy to teach them or watch some of our instruction videos. Think green.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.